Hey guys, welcome back to Stick Mobility TV. Dennis and Ray here for Stick Mobility. Last video we posted was to show you how to open up the anterior tissues, get into the hip flexor. In this video we're going to add on to that. We're going to add a little bit of rotation to that. So Ray's going to set up, we have the box set up to that 30-inch height. So he's going to take his left leg and he's going to place the top of the foot on top of the box. Okay. His sticks are at 11 o'clock and 1 o'clock, just a little out in front of the toes. He's going to place the hands at the top of the stick. Like the last video, where he's going to take this back foot and he's going to push the foot gently into the top of the box at about 30 to 35% perceived exertion. That activates all the anterior tissues. As soon as he then activates the left glute, goes posterior pelvic tuck to put that hip in a neutral position, and then he's slowly going to drop down put weight onto that right leg to start to lengthen and get a nice stretch here through the hip flexor. Once he's engaged that, now all we're simply going to do is have him rotate and turn the torso to the left. Good. So we're going to start to get into the obliques and the spiral line as we have the hips locked down, and then he simply just rotates to the right. So we want to keep both hips facing forward, so that way we get that full lengthening through the tissues as he goes into rotation. So right here is using the 6-foot sticks. If you have longer sticks, if you have 7-foot sticks, you can reach up a little bit higher. It'll bring more length to those tissues as you go in and out of rotation. So he can do this a couple times. When he goes through the second time around, he can push that back foot into the box even just a little bit harder, add that intensity up to about 40-45% perceived exertion. He'll go one more time to the right. He's also pushing those sticks into the floor to match the intensity of the foot pushing in the top of the box also, and then brings that proximal stability also, so we get that distal mobility. So then he's going to come back to center and then ease off. Okay, excellent. And that's how we just add on, we just progress and add that rotation to the last previous hip flexor stretch. So for Stick Mobility TV, Dennis and Ray, check out the link in the bio for products, more membership videos, and also our class schedule as far as our education. Stick Mobility, movement made better.